What's going on, guys? How you doing? In this video, I'll be teaching you guys about the blockchain and cryptocurrency. A lot of you have heard about blockchain, ethereum, Cardano, USD, Luna, cryptocurrency basically, and you don't know where to start or you don't know what it means. In this video, I'll make it very simple and short in my explanation. And I made simple articles right here which we put you through. You can pause while watching the video to maybe write something down or read through. You have to understand the evolution of money if you are coming into cryptocurrency, to know the concept of cryptocurrency. The first thing we use for trading back then as human that has been recorded is trade by barter, which is basically exchanging your goods and services. I have cow, you have camel. We are both interested. You want my car, I want your camel. Let's exchange. Then the gold, then the coins, then paper money, then the plastic cards, then electronic money. Paper money is the United States, like United States dollar, Canada money, pounds, euro, naira. A lot of paper. A lot of cash currencies I'm talking about. Then your plastic card, which is your ATM. Then your electronic money, like your bank transfers, your cash app, your Venmo, PayPal. Basically, now we are on cryptocurrency, which is basically the future of money. That's one of the reasons you need to get into cryptocurrency, or at least have the knowledge. What is cryptocurrency? Crypto is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. Basically, it is virtual money. We have cash money, we have virtual money, which is the internet money. You can spend it in real life to buy other stuff, buy a car. Tesla made, I think sometimes last year, Tesla started accepting Bitcoin as a means of payments. A lot of companies, basically, you know what I mean. You've heard the news though, right? Then we have a lot of cash, like physical cash, like United States dollar, Canada yen, naira. We have pounds. Then in cryptocurrency, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, a whole lot more that I can't even mention, that I don't even know. But these are the top ones I mentioned: Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, cryptocurrency is the virtual money, and you need to get into these or have the knowledge as soon as possible, for a whole lot of reasons: for your profits, to make money, to invest, to have the knowledge, so you can at least move with the human nature, human improvement. You know what I mean? So what is blockchain? This is really simple. Blockchain is the bank app behind the cryptocurrency, the virtual money, but it has a lot of advantages than your normal bank app, your bank, whatever bank you're using. You know what I mean? So blockchain technology is structured as stores transactional record, just like your bank app. It's decentralized, which means nobody's in control, nobody's after your money, nobody can control it, which makes it impossible to hack. Nobody can hack. Nobody's in control, nobody owns it, so nobody can hack it. It's transparent and doesn't need third party, which basically is, if you are going to transfer money to me now, you are going to go through the bank, right? You can't even transfer $1 million or $1 billion to me once. But in crypto space, you can, through cryptocurrency, you can transfer $1 billion, $30 billion if you have that, without anybody knowing. But it is transparent. People won't know who's transferring it, but they are seeing the transactions. It's really safe. So there are top exchanges where you can buy your Binance, where you can buy your cryptocurrency, which is like Binance, FTX, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin. I will teach you guys how to make use of all this in the next video, basically. So why you need to get into crypto space? It is a must for you to get into crypto space, because I'm not oh god. Why you need to get into crypto space? You've heard about Elon Musk, you've heard about a lot of big companies accepting Bitcoin or cryptocurrency such as Ethereum as their means of payments. Basically the world is going into digital world. We are going to digital world, automated cars, automated robots, stuff like that. So in the future, this is what we are going to use. So you need to get into this as soon as possible. This is one of the few reasons I'm giving you. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like and follow, maybe share with your friends. Thank you very much.